Last period we had seen the preparation of trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet under final accounts without adjustment. So now we will continue the same next problem. So you look at the ninth question. So you tell which one? Trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account. For the year ending, for the year ending, for the year ending 31st March 2014. 31st March 2014. Debit, credit, it is an account. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. So we will write fast. Drawings. Anila, where it will come?
Balance sheet.
Yes, balance sheet liability, PL. Next, insurance. Femina, where it will come? Insurance. Trading profit and loss account or balance sheet?
Sir, profit and loss.
Good. Profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. Next, general expenses. Atul, general expenses.
Sir, profit and loss.
Profit and loss account. Next, rent and taxes. Karthik, rent and taxes.
Profit and loss account.
Yes. Next, lighting, bracket factory, Aparna.
Sir, trading account.
Account. Next, traveling expenses. Traveling expenses. Aditya.
Profit and loss account.
Profit and loss account. Next, cash in hand. Hanna. Cash in hand.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet as said. Next, bills receivable. Pavitra. Bills receivable. Balance sheet or trading and profit and loss account. Where? Bills receivable. You tell also. Pavitra. Balance sheet or trading and profit and loss account. Bills receivable. Anjo, bills receivable.
Balance sheet.
Okay. Next, furniture. Tomlin, furniture.
Sir, profit and loss account.
Furniture.
Balance sheet.
It is a fixed asset. Furniture. Next, plant and machinery. Shubham Pal. Plant and machinery. Shubham Pal.
Sir, before furniture, there is sundry debtors.
Okay, sundry debtor is there. Okay, sundry debtor, that is balance. Next, plant and machinery. Shubham Pal. Delhi Dada. The question is plant and machinery, where it will come? Trading and profit and loss account or balance sheet? Balance sheet. Opening stock. Atul, opening stock.
Sir, trading account.
Okay, purchases. Anjo, purchases.
Trading account.
Sales return. Anjo, sales return.
Trading.
Carriage inward. Anjo, carriage inward.
Trading account.
Carriage outward. Anjo,
Trading account.
trading account. Carriage outward. Profit and loss account. Okay, carriage inward trading account. Carriage outward profit and loss account. Means it is for transportation expense for sale of the finished goods. Okay, carriage inward means transportation expense for purchase of raw material. So only carriage it is given means trading account. Okay, carriage outward profit and loss account, carriage inward trading account. Next, wages. Aparna, wages.
Sir, trading account.
Salaries, wages. Aparna, salary,
Profit and loss account.
profit and loss account. Now one more adjustment is there. Closing stock. Anila, you tell. Closing stock.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet. Then
Assets.
balance sheet you said. So one thing you know, adjustment have two effect. So you said one, you said balance sheet asset side. Then where it will come? I think you know the format. That's why you are not telling the answer. Closing stock. Closing stock, you know, where profit and loss account or trading account. Anila,
I don't know.
you look at the trading account, the credit side, only two items. By sales minus sales return and closing stock. Okay, so adjustment have two effect. So next chapter we will study final account with adjustments including closing stock. So in this chapter only one adjustment, closing stock. Okay, so it have two effect. It will come. So after preparing the trial balance we found some items. Okay, there is adjustments. So that it will come trading account credit side and balance sheet asset side. So next, so we'll start. First, two opening stock. One thing I forgot, credit side, capital. Anila, capital.
So balance sheet.
Balance sheet liability. Bills payable. Atul, bills payable.
Sir, balance sheet.
Okay. Creditors. Atul, creditors.
Sir, balance sheet.
Atul, discount received.
Sir, profit and loss.
Yes, profit and loss account credit side. Purchase return. Atul, purchase return. Bonus.
Trading account.
Trading account. Sales. Atul, sales.
Sir, trading account.
Very good. Okay. So I think that all are studying format of trading and profit account and balance sheet. Anil also. To opening stock. So it is given opening stock 40,000. So here to purchases. So one thing you have to remember whenever you are writing the purchase and sales, any purchase return. Opposite side you have to look any purchase return. Yes, purchase return is there. So first purchases 1,60,000. 1,60,000 less purchase return. Less purchase return. Purchase return 8,000. 8,000. So 1,52,000. Next, purchases minus purchase return. Now you have to write the direct expenses. So what are the direct expenses? Aparna, fully tell. Direct expenses.
Sir, lighting.
Yes, to factory lighting. $2,800. Next,
Carriage inward.
to carriage inward 7,200. Then
Wages.
yes, wages. To wages. 84,000. No, sorry. 84,000. Wages 84,000. Now credit side only two item by sales. By sales. 1 minute. Wages 84,000. By sales 4,40,000. Any sales return debit side? Any sales return? Yes. So 4,40,000 less sales return. Okay, 4,40,000 minus sales return. Sales return is 6,000. Okay, 4,34,000. 4,34,000. Next one more item. Adjustment is there by closing stock. By closing stock. It is given at the adjustment 30,000. 30,000. Okay.
Sir, closing stock is 35,000.
Sorry. Okay. Sorry. 35,000. I look at the next question. Closing stock 35,000. Any amount? Opening stock 40,000. Okay. Purchase 1,60,000 minus 8,000. Okay. Then to factory lighting 2,800. Carriage inward 7,200. Wages 84,000. Sales. Okay. Next, we have to find gross profit or gross loss. So which side is more? 4,34,000. 4,69,000. Here 1,92,000. So credit side is more. So that total you have to write in both side. 4,69,000. Then balance amount we have to write to gross profit C bar D. Carry down. Okay, we will get 1,83,000. One underline. So we will start which one? Profit and loss account. Continuation only by gross profit B bar D. Same amount 1,83,000. 1,83,000. Okay, next. Anila, so you tell the debit side items. Profit and loss account.
Rent and taxes.
Before that, any other item?
General expenses.
Before that, any?
Insurance.
Okay, so to insurance 3,000. To general expenses. To general expenses 29,000. To rent and taxes. To rent and taxes 14,400. 14,400. Next item. Anila, next item.
Discount received.
Discount received credit side. First you look at the debit side. Any other item? It will come. So you said no. If I am not writing by discounted received 10,400, it is income. That is why credit side.
Salaries.
Salaries is there. Then before that, any other item? After rent and tax, you look.
Carriage outward.
A carriage outward is there. That is good. Before that, first page you look. Any other? After rent and tax.
Traveling expenses.
To traveling expenses. To traveling expenses 7,400. Then to carriage outward. Normally first item normally salary only. So whenever you are writing, if you follow, that is good. Salary first. To carriage outwards 1,600. Next to salary. To salaries. To salaries. To salaries 53,000. Now we have to look credit side. Only one received is there, discount received, nothing. Okay, so now we will calculate. Here also credit side is more, 1,93,400, 1,93,400. So balance amount we have to write to net profit. To net profit, Aparna, to net profit.
Sir, net profit transferred to capital account.
Net profit. So we'll get the same amount, 85,000. 85,000. Okay, 1,93,400 minus debit side item. Then we will get net profit transfer to capital account. So our trading and profit and loss account is over. Then now we will do the balance sheet. Femina, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So next balance sheet. Balance sheet as on balance sheet as on 31st March 2014. So it is not an account, it is a statement, no need to write debit credit. So first item, Karthik, first item.
So cash in hand.
Yes, it is a current asset, cash in hand, 12,600. Next, Anat.
Plant and machinery.
Plant and machinery. Before that, any asset? So, which one? After cash in hand, one asset is there, bills receivable, that is current assets. Bills receivable, current assets 5,000. Next, sundry debtors, that is also a current assets. Sundry debtors 1,04,000. 1,04,000. Next, furniture, that is fixed assets. Furniture 16,000. Furniture 16,000. Furniture 16,000. Next, plant and machinery, that is also a fixed assets. Plant and machinery 1,80,000. 1,80,000. Next, plant and machinery, full plant and machinery, any asset? Atul, in the debit side, any asset? No.
No, sir.
Now, credit side, you have to look. First, capital, then we will write last. Bills payable.
Sir,
Tell.
closing stock.
Yes, we will write. So, whenever we are writing the final account, first we will look at the trial balance, then we will look at the adjustment. Okay? Because adjustment have two effect. So, next chapter also we will study that. So, first we will look trial balance, then adjustment. Okay? So, bills payable 3,600. Next, creditors. It is a current liability 50,000. Next, capital amount 2,50,000 it is given. 2,50,000. With that, what we have to do? Atul, capital
We should add net profit.
add net profit. So net profit already we calculated. So we calculated net profit 85,000. 85,000. Okay, next. Next, Atul, what we have to do? Minus
Drawings.
okay, less drawings. Less drawings. Less drawings. If a life insurance premium, income tax it is there, we can deduct. So 30 amount is 36,000. 36,000. Okay. So 2,99,000. 2,99,000. Over. Now we have to look adjustment, closing stock to effect. First it will come on the credit side of the trading account. Next, balance sheet asset side. It is a current assets. Closing stock. Three lakh 52,600. Okay. So we'll start next one. So you have to look first. Purchase and sales. Aditya, where it will come? Trading account. Next, return inward. Already you know that purchase debit, sales credit. Next, return inward and return outward. We know that sales return debit, purchase return credit. Where it will come? Aparna, return inward and outward.
The trading account.
Account. Next, carriage inward. Anat, carriage inward. First. Carriage inward, trading account. Carriage outward, Karthik, carriage outward.
Profit and loss account.
Next, fuel and power. Fuel and power, Anila,
Trading account.
trading account. Next, Anila, opening stock. Trading account. Bad debt. Anila, bad debt.
Profit and loss.
Loss account. Next, debtors and creditors. Anila, debtors and creditors.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet. Yes. Next, Anjo. Capital.
Balance sheet.
Investment.
Balance.
Interest on investment. No. Interest on investment. You look at that credit side. It is an income. Okay. Investment. Interest on investment income. Then one thing you have to remember, loan liability, but interest on loan expense. Loan, if you take a loan, there is a liability, but interest on loan expense, debit side. Investment asset, interest on investment income. Next, loan. Aparna, loan.
Balance sheet.
Next, repairs. Aparna, repairs.
The profit and loss account.
Next, general expenses
Profit and loss account.
and salaries.
Trading account.
Land and building.
Balance sheet.
Cash in hand.
Balance sheet.
Miscellaneous receipts.
Profit and loss account.
Profit and loss account credit side. Profit and loss account credit side. Next, sales tax collected.
Ba-
Yes, balance sheet liability side. Okay. So next day we will do the same question. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you. So study for periodic test 3.